welcome to the makeup phase. So today we are doing our October unboxing. I'm so sorry that it's taken this long. One of my boxes just takes forever to come every single month. But as you can see, I am totally bracing the Halloween spirit and I want to make this one so special. And I just kind of want to play with the palette. But I really hope that you really like this look. I think it's so cute. It's actually my first time creating a skeleton look and I had so much fun doing it. So I will be posting this video later, but let's get back to why you're watching. So if you have not watched any of my other videos, I receive normally 3 subscription boxes every single month. This month is now down to 2, so I dropped Birchbox. I just didn't feel like their samples were really great anymore from when I first started going with them. Hopefully eventually they'll get better samples, but until the meantime I didn't think it was worth the money. So we're down to 2. And I get, every month I get Boxycharm and I get Sephora Playbox. So yeah, and then I also signed up for the Boxylux and I cannot wait to show you in December when it comes in. I'm so excited. I just know there's gonna be a lot of great things. So if you don't know anything about Boxylux, it is by Boxycharm. And what happens is every quarter they'll charge you $28 on top of the $22 that you're already being charged, and you get everything that you would get in your Boxycharm plus additional items. So it's really awesome. And the first month was launched in September? Yes. And everyone got these really awesome things and I was so jealous, so I had to sign up. And I cannot wait to show it to you when it comes in December. Now let's get started to see what I got for October. So starting with Boxycharm. So I will say on some of them I did kind of cheat, just because this one comes so early, so I get so excited. I don't have my little thing. But I'm missing the description thing, but it is the Alter Ego and a lot of great things. I am so excited to try all of this out. The only one that I was really disappointed in, and I'll be the first one to show you, is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I was so disappointed. So look at this gorgeous color. Look how awesome. It is the Vampira. Yeah, Vampira. It is amazing, but the color just does not come out great. I don't know what I am doing. I'm like, it could be something I'm doing, but I am just kind of really disappointed on how it just spreads. It does not spread evenly. But look how gorgeous this color is. It is so great, and it dries matte, but it does not last very long. I mean, I can pretty much get it off by the morning. I'm just so sad about it, and I was so excited to receive this. So I mean, if you guys have also received these colors, or you bought the Kat Von D Everlasting lipstick before, let me know what I'm doing wrong, because I don't know how to get it to stay longer, and I definitely don't know how to make sure that it applies evenly. Next up is the Per Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. OMG, this is an awesome palette. So it is actually 2 faces. So I will show you that right now, but look at this. So this is one part of it, and then here is the other part. So you can tell I haven't used it because it still has the plastic on, but it is so incredible. I'm assuming these are highlighters, but I mean, you could use them as shadows. Yes. So one side of it is highlighter and the other side of it is shadows, but honestly, I mean, it's makeup. You can do whatever you want with it, but look how great this is. I cannot wait to use these colors. They look like so much fun. Yes. So next on the list is a mascara by It Cosmetics. This is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Can't wait to try it out. Look at this awesome bad boy. So you know I always like to look at the bristles. Ooh, this is a good comber. So this is definitely going to be great for extending your lashes, and I am so excited because I can never have enough of these. Yes. And then we have Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Farmacy. So look how great that is. So once you're done with all your looks, oh, this is interesting. So it looks very waxy. I know the light is shining really bright. I'm so sorry. But it's green. Maybe if no. A little bit like that. So it's green and it's really waxy, which is quite interesting. Again, can't try it out. I can definitely use it for this. And then we have a mask. So this is Dermovia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. And it says that it comes with 2. So again, definitely cannot wait to use that. So it has like a 2-part thing. It is clean and dry face, apply even layer of peel paste to target areas. Line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask against areas where peel paste is applied. And then place ear slits securely around ears. Pull ends of the chin up or below. Wear it for 15 to 20 minutes and then gently peel off mask in downward motion, rinse off any residue. So excited. This looks like an interesting mask and I'm always down for masks. So that concludes Birchbox. That concludes Boxycharm, and I could not be more excited. There's a lot of great things other than the Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick. Again, it is such a rocking color. I just don't know what I'm doing, that it's not applying properly and not staying on. So again, help. If you guys are like experts at this part of it, I can always use your help. So let's put these all back. Yes and yes. All right, so up next is my Playbox by Sephora. So let's go. This is yes. All right, so I am not digging the plasticness, not at all. I know it's supposed to be recyclable or whatever. I felt like the cloth was definitely better and cuter, but it's not my choice. So what's up on the list? I see Bareminerals Gen Nude Patent Lip Liqueur. Oh, this is actually a really great sample. So this is it, and it is in everything. So let's check out this fabulous color. So I'm not big into lip glosses, but you know what? Every once in a while it's nice. So it looks like a beautiful mauve color. Yes, which I will definitely use. I am definitely liking that. What is next? Oh, excuse me. All right, so I have Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and this is in Quench. It is the hydrating primer. So this is what it looks like. It's a little itty bitty thing. And if I could rip this off, maybe at some point. Yes, come on. Okay, so I was able to make a hole and squeeze it out. So that is what it is. It's really jelly, so it makes sense. But it feels very refreshing. And it's definitely great for these cold season that is coming up. It's definitely really nice, I have to say. So if you're in a really cold place, this is going to be a lifesaver for you, but since I live in Florida, maybe not so much, but I will definitely give it a try. So next on the list is Caudalie. Something. Whatever this is, I will definitely have it down there. This is the Vinoperfect Radiant Serum. So I believe I had received a sample of this like way earlier and I just never used it. So maybe I should. I actually love serums. I think they're so great, especially for people with oily skin. Oh, this is awesome and it smells good. Ew. Definitely have to start using this. Shame on me, but I really like it because it's super light on the skin. It's not heavy, but it still moisturizes and it doesn't make you oily. All right, so next on the list is Fresh Rose Face Mask. This is infused with real rose petals, hydrates and tones. Oh, so look at this. I know, I'm sorry about the light. So this is what it looks like. It's definitely some nice ooey gooiness, but it is some ooey gooiness that I'm gonna have on my face. All right, and next one is Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. Ooh. Interesting. So this is what it is, and I got it in black. You can see there. So there you go. Obviously I made this line thicker. You go over one time. It's usually what you're gonna get. So it definitely looks like a rocking rocking gel liner that I'm going to enjoy because I love that. And then the bonus one is the YSL Mon Paris Perfume. Can I get it out? Oh, there it is. So that's what I received. And that is the little bottle, so hopefully it does not smell like a nightmare. It actually smells really, really good, so this will be gone in like 2 seconds. And that concludes all my boxes. It looks like I got some rocking ass samples that I cannot wait to try. Again, I would love your feedback on the Kat Von D. If you know something I can do, please, lifeline. But other than that, I think I got everything else that I can't wait to play with. Yes, rocking awesomeness. I am in love. So this is everything for my unboxing and first impressions. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I made it a little bit more exciting for the Halloween theme. you did enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Always subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on the makeup phase, as well as I am on LinkedIn. So just look for either the makeup phase and or just find it. I will definitely have it in the description below, where you can just click on the link. Trust me, I would love to connect with you. Let me know also your feedback on there, wherever you want to. I enjoy your feedback. I enjoy doing this for you guys. And until next time, I can't wait to see what you come up with for Halloween, in the Halloween season, and for Halloween, which is next week. OMG, I can't believe it. It's here, and I cannot wait to show you what I'm going to be. And I will also have a video of that on Sunday, Monday, maybe Wednesday. We shall see. But definitely stay tuned, because I am so excited to reveal it. Till next time, loves. Bye.